guys, this is my cutest star. Name's Stack1. Say hi, Stack1. Hello, guys. Okay. Stack1, what do you like? Your Milo. Okay. Drink it. Careful. Oh, he's so hungry. Do you like this bread?
Yeah.
Oh, he's hungry too for his life. Stack1, where's your head? Yeah. Very good, Stack1. I love you. Wait, Stack1, what do you like? To be when you grow up. An astronaut. Me, I'm going to be a doctor. You is an astronaut. Okay, can you act like an astronaut? Good job! Stack1 is learning every day. I love you. I'm crying for my life. Oh, I'm so happy. Stack1 is learning every day. Every Saturday and Sunday you learn, Stack1? Yes. His vacation is October and November. Okay. Can you act like a balloon? Oh, yes! Act like balloon. Can you act like a cat? I love you, Stack1. So cute. Can you act like a doctor? Practice. Practice. Oh, yes! Wow! I like it. I love you. Okay. Our next trailer is... Okay, Stack1. Can you sit down? Hi guys, my name is Stack1. I am learning every day. And Sunday, Saturday. My vacation is at October, November. I'm learning every vacation of Gabby. Oh, I love you.
Ito na po, oh. Ito na. Dito.